Hello folks, another short video here. This one's just taking a walk around the neighborhood behind our house. This is what it looks like right behind our house. Walking down the alley road here. Used to be some orchards back here. People planted a lot of trees. But we're going to take a walk along the little river and walk right next to where they have a community garden. That's a piece of city land that everybody comes in and can plant. Plants have a little section. Doesn't cost anything. It's just what small towns do. Some big cities do that too. But anyways, a lot of these trees you see out here, some of them are apple trees way out there. Little piles of brush where they cleared it up last year that they're either going to let it decompose or burn it. But anyways, everything's turning green now. Hope everyone's having a great day. Staying safe. Try to get out and move around a little bit. At least go in your backyard and move around a little bit. Anyways, enjoy this video here. And until next time, this is Timer 66.